Hello everyone. This is Imtiaz Begum, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Government First Grade College, Chikbalapur. Today I'll discuss session 18 of Employee Welfare and Social Security, 5th semester BBA, Bangalore North University. Today we will discuss labor welfare centers. So, recap of the previous class. In the previous class, we had discussed about extra and intramural activities. So, intramural activities are those services and amenities which have been provided by the employer inside the factory, like provision of canteen facility, medical facilities, recreational facilities, sanitary and safety, and providing lighting facility, industrial safety provisions, provisions for rest and change rooms, firefighting arrangements, providing fresh air facility, so on. These are some of the intramural activities which we discussed. Then we discussed about extramural activities as well. So extramural activities includes all those services and facilities which are available to the workers outside the organization. Under that, we discussed about education facility. That means the educational facility should be provided to all employees and their family members, providing cooperative societies and stores, regarding housing facility, officers and workers club, social insurance schemes like pension, gratuity, provident fund, then sickness and medical benefits, paid leave, leave travel concession, industrial training, so on. So, these are the different types of welfare measures we discussed in the previous session. So, today's session we will discuss about Labor Welfare Center. So, the learning objective of the chapter. This chapter aims to provide an understanding of labor welfare centers. Session outcome: the student will be able to understand about the labor welfare centers and their functions. So, to begin with, we will discuss what is labor welfare. So, labor welfare includes different types of welfare activities which are being provided by the organization irrespective of the size of the establishment or the number of persons employed. They are providing drinking water facility, latrines and urinals, storing and drying of clothes, providing washing rooms, canteen and mess facilities, restrooms, lunchrooms, creches, medical facility, educational facility, recreational facility, occasional training, transportation facility, so on. So, all these things in detail we have discussed in our previous session. So, just I gave you the points or the bullet points of labor welfare activities. Now, we will discuss about the labor welfare centers. The Labor Welfare Board conducts its welfare programs and implements the welfare scheme through numerous labor welfare center. So first we have is the apex body labor welfare board. This labor welfare board conducts its different types of welfare programs and schemes that will be implemented by the labor welfare center. Board take the decision regarding the programs and the schemes, and the implementation work will be done by the labor welfare centers, which will be located at different industrial areas of respective state. So the model labor welfare centers are set up on the board's own land. So the labor welfare board, as I said, it is in Apex. There they'll have every labor welfare centers models, and there will be an auditorium attached to each model labor welfare center. So the labor welfare centers are set up in different industrial areas of the state. So each labor welfare center has a set of TVs, magazines, daily newspapers, sports and games, gym material. All these things are being provided to the centers for the benefits of workers and their family members. Apart from intramural and extramural activities that are being provided by the organization, if an employee want to make use, they can visit this labor welfare centers. As I said, each state will have number of labor welfare centers depending upon the number of factories or the organization. So a person employed in the organization, he can visit this labor welfare center and make use of the facilities that are being provided by this labor welfare centers. The labor welfare centers in India have been set up by number of states and union territories. So who runs this? Who runs this labor welfare centers? They are run either directly by the state government or by the labor department of the state or by the state labor welfare board. So these three bodies will look after this labor welfare center. One is state government or labor department of the state or state labor welfare board. Okay. The number of labor welfare centers varies in different states according to requirement. So where there are more number of industries, their labor welfare centers will also be more and vice versa. So for example, there are about 180 in Maharashtra while there are only 20 in Punjab. Okay. The funds for running this labor welfare centers are provided in the budget of the labor department of the respective state. So when they provide so many different activities to the workers, they get the funds from the budget of labor department to all the states. So different facilities that are being provided by labor welfare centers. They provide playgrounds, indoor and outdoor games facility to the people or the employees with their family. They provide library facility wherein they can make use of the books available according to their requirement. First aid medicines and other healthcare facilities will also be provided to the people. They provide workshops, training, and skill development activities. This labor welfare centers provides recreational facilities like making arrangements of cinemas, dramas, musical instruments, bhajans, kirtans, so on. They see that a good educational facilities are being provided to the needy people. They provide housing facility to have a better working conditions. Few multiple choice questions we have. Labor welfare centers provide playground, indoor and outdoor games, library, first aid, medicine and other healthcare facility. So the answer is all the above. The funds for running this labor welfare centers are provided in the budget under which head? So the head is Labor Departments of the state. Dash conducts its welfare programs and implements the welfare scheme through welfare center. The answer is the Labor Welfare Board. So expand LWC, that is Labor Welfare Corporation or Labor Welfare Centers or Labor Welfare Society. And the answer is Labor Welfare Center. Labor welfare centers in India have been set up by number of states, union territories and labor board. So the answer is all the above. So thank you very much for your patient listening. Thank you.